Singular noun. A noun that names one person, place, animal or thing. Person, place, animal, thing. Plural noun. A noun that names more than one person, place, animal or thing. Persons, places, animals. Cat, singular, cats, plural. Bird, singular, birds, plural. Doll, singular, dolls, plural.